closer, we can do my place. Maybe we can try.
Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. For my new subscribers, you are very much welcome to the family, and for my returnees, thank you so much for always coming back, guys. Yeah, so in today's video we are going to Kamukunji, and I'm going to meet Jody Paul, who is a YouTuber like me. Yeah, she came from Nakuru and she wants me to take her around Kamukunji so that she can purchase some items for her house. Yeah, so I thought I should go with you. So yeah, let's get into the video, and I hope that you enjoy and like the video, share, leave a comment, and kindly do not skip the ads, guys.
Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be here, show my story, where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer, we can do my place. Maybe we can try. Meeting up by 7, you'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me so.
Sema hi. Hi guys. Tuseme jina.
Niseme jina? Ni vile ni hai.
Sema jina na sema YouTube channel.
Sasa niseme?
Hi guys, we just met in Kamukunji, and I was bringing Jody for shopping. She's from Nakuru, you know her, she's Jody Paul. Kindly subscribe to her channel. And we just met Ivy Mariga. Please check out her channel, she also has amazing content, guys. So we just roam around and do some shopping, and then Jody will show you on her channel what she will get. Yeah, and Mariga, please also check her out, she's getting some items for herself. Yeah, and me, I'm just here running errands. Yeah, and Jody is my client.
They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn and look inside, there's nothing I can't find. In the silence of
Hi guys, today is another day. Actually, I'm from town. I went to town early in the morning because I had a letter to pick in the poster. Yeah, I was sent an email to pick a letter in the poster, and I passed by somewhere else. So I want to show you what I bought. The things I bought today, and some things I bought yesterday in Kamukunji while we were with Jody. Yeah, so kindly subscribe to Jody Paul's channel. Yeah, she's my fellow YouTuber. She lives in Nakuru. Please check her out, guys. So let me start with I have things from XUK. I have things from Kamukunji. So let me start with Kamukunji. Yeah, let me start with Kamukunji. The first thing that I bought from Kamukunji was this bowel. Yeah, with a bamboo lid. Actually, this one I bought the day I went to see my sister. So I bought two, and I bought one for her. There were two. I gave her one, and I remained with this one. I would really want to have more of this, but yeah, I will add some other day. So I also bought, I needed this. Yeah, I needed some organizers for my plates, and I didn't want the bigger ones. Yeah, you know, they come in two types. This is the latest version actually. Yeah, so I was really looking for these ones while we were with Jody, and I found them. So I bought two. Yeah, I think this will be enough for now. I will, when I buy non-stick pots, I will buy another one to hold my lids. But for now, this is okay. This one were 400 shillings each, but the bigger ones are usually 350 Kenya shillings each. So I also want to do a makeover of my pantry. Yeah, but it will cost me some good amount of money because there are some specific jars I want, and they are really costly. So you have seen people buy those spaghetti jars, the long ones, 2 liter long ones. Yeah, so I saw this, and I told my guy to keep some for me, and I only managed to buy one, but I think I'll be going for others because I actually need 4 or 5 of these, but this one is very expensive. Yeah, so this one, the difference with the other one, these ones come with the handle, you can see. Yeah, it comes with the handle, which is very good because the other ones you just touch like this, and when ikiteleza, ya mkono ukiteleza itaanguka. Yeah, so this one is much safer because it has a handle, so you just keep it in your pantry and you hold it and you open, and you can use it like this. So this one is actually very expensive. This one the guy gave me at 1300 Kenya shillings, you can imagine, and I need 5 of these. So you can imagine the amount of money I need for this type of jars. So if you want them, please contact me. I always leave my number in the description box. Or if you want errands to be run in Kamukunji, just reach me out. Yeah. So I think those are the only things I got from Kamukunji, guys. So let me go to the XUK things I got from an XUK shop today. Actually, it was raining, so I wanted just to get some shelter. And that XUK Kibanda was near where I was, so I rushed inside, and I thought, why not go check for my client, something that she has wanted for so long. Yeah, so luckily, I've been checking there for some time, but luckily today I got something that she loved. Yeah, so let me just show you what I got from that shop. That guy really had nice things, but money was the problem. So the first thing I got from there was this jug. Yeah, he had several jugs. Some were the glass type, I've forgotten the name. Yeah, so this is used for milk actually. Yeah, this is a milk jug, and I love it. I also wanted a jug that I can put my tea, because my jug, actually the lid got broken. Let me show you. You see this jug, my sister gifted me. Yeah, she has several of these, and the last time I went there, actually she refused giving me another one. Yeah, so I'm looking for another jug that is almost the same type but white. Yeah, so this one I broke the lid. Yeah, so I can't use it without the lid. Maybe I'll just use it as a flower vase or something else. Yeah, so this one is for milk, but I'm looking for another one for tea. Yeah, so this is for milk. So I got this at 300 Kenya shillings, and it's IKEA. You can see here. It's from IKEA, yeah. So I got that. Another thing I got was this saucer, and I really loved it. It was small, and I matched with a cup. Yeah, she had several cups. He's a man. Yeah, he had several cups. So I got this small cup, and I matched with this one. Yeah, this one I'll be using just for my coffee when I want to feel, yeah, just to take. Actually, I'll have to take 10 of these to be full, because me with tea or coffee. Yeah, so but I got this one, yeah, to match like this. So another thing I got was this bowl. Yeah, it's a something like a sauce, a bowl to put sauce. So I got this one. This one was 100 bob. Yeah. So another thing I got, yeah, this one was 100 bob, and I have really wanted these things from China Square, but I haven't gotten time to go. So when I saw this, yeah, unfortunately it was one. So I just picked it. Yeah. And I also got these ones. So these ones are 4 pieces. Yeah, and they are a bit bigger than this one, but the quality, guys, the quality of these things is just amazing, amazing. Yeah, the quality is just amazing. They are branded and they are very new, something just close to new. Yeah, they are still new. Yeah, so I got 4 of these. These were only 4, so I picked all of them, and they were 100 each. And the guy gave me at 3 for 350 Kenya shillings. 4 for 350, sorry. Yeah, so I got the 4. I'll be using them for my servings, guys. I really love bowls. So the this is what took me there. So this is a vase, yeah, that I've been looking for. My client has really been wanting it, yeah. So she's from Kisumu, so I've been looking around for such a vase. She wants to use it for putting her silicone spoons, guys. So I found this, and I think it's cute, very cute. And this was 600 Kenya shillings. Yeah, it's very nice. So the last thing I got from the ex-UK shop is this flower vase, guys. This killed it. I just saw it and I had to pick it. It's very heavy. It's very heavy. The glass itself, guys, it's very heavy. Yeah, it's a very heavy glass, and the quality is just amazing, guys. You can't find this glass just anywhere, anyhow. And you can imagine, he sold me this at 500 Kenya shillings. Only. Yeah, 500 Kenya shillings. And I've been wanting a vase that can use for pampas grass. Yeah, but I got it at only 500 Kenya shillings, and I'm so happy about it. I'm so happy about it. So I will just clean these items. Yeah, I will clean these items. I also clean the vase for my client and just pack it. I will send it to her. She's in Kisumu. So there's something else I got. So when I bought this vase, I didn't want to come with it home and it just starts lying around doing nothing. Of course, in this house, everything has to be busy. Yeah, whether there are sufurias, they have to be busy cooking. There are people living in this house, they have to be busy working around the house and doing house chores and all that. So a vase cannot just idle in the house without doing nothing. So I passed by Stage Market and I got myself pampas grass, the ones I want to use in this vase, so that it can be working. Yeah, it can work. I can't buy something and just idle in my house, keeping my house full. Yeah, so I bought pampas grass, 4 pieces. One goes for 60 Kenya shillings. So I bought 4. So I will cut the stems to be a little bit shorter, and then someday I will add in more pampas grasses because I want the thing to be so full. Yeah, I want it to be so full of pampas grasses so that it can look better. But unfortunately, I don't want other colors. They were reds, they were browns, they were yellow, mustard. But I didn't want those colors, so I just took this, just this color alone. Yeah. So I will make it. Yeah. After I will cut the stem short and I will show you how it will look. Yeah, just now. So actually I've been with this weather, I've been coming home very late. You want to say hi?
Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tina Lois. So guys, let's start in my video.
Tell them goodbye. I love you.
Goodbye. I love you.
Aye. So there's this one thing that I've always been wanting, and I've been coming home a bit late, and the season is such a rainy season, and I really love taking coffee. So Nicolette always makes me coffee whenever I just reach home and she's at home. She always asks me, do you want coffee? And she makes me coffee, guys. But of late I've not been feeling the taste of that coffee. Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe I'm so used to that coffee until I'm no longer feeling the taste. So I decided to go and look for a coffee machine, guys. Yeah. So this is what I got. So I walked in all supermarkets in town and they didn't have coffee machines. You can imagine. None of those supermarkets, Quick Marts, Naiverses, the Naivers that is there's one Naivers. Is it Tomboya or Tomboya or Moya Avenue Street? Yeah, I entered that Naivas. It doesn't have even groceries. Yeah, but it didn't have even a coffee machine. Yeah, and I went to Quick Mart. I also went to another Quick Mart. None of them had a coffee machine. So it was raining heavily. You can see even the box has been rained on. It was raining. And so I just decided to go and look for them in other shops that sell electronics. And it has, as long as it has 1 year warranty, I just decided to buy it, and I got it at a very fair price. Yeah, compared to the prices I've been seeing around. So let us just unbox this together. It comes with a warranty certificate, though it's not signed. Yeah, and some instruction manual. And it's very protected. Just see. Yeah, very protected, guys. I've never seen an appliance coming with these things that look like egg trays. I've always seen the other type. But this one looks like it's covered like eggs. Yeah. So this is how it is. Yeah. Yeah, these things are very, they are heavier than the egg trays, you can imagine, and it's covered so well, so well. This is a spoon. I think it's a measuring spoon. I've never used a coffee machine before, but we get to learn. Yeah, we get to learn. So, yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. It has a switch here, on and off. Just a simple thing like that. Yeah. And this is how it looks inside.
When my demons come
so that is how it looks, and I think I love it. Yeah, so I needed the one with the cappuccino and all that, but it's very expensive, so maybe some other year, yeah, not today, some other year we will upgrade on that. Yeah, for now let's just use this, and it will help me a lot because I take coffee like on a daily basis, guys. Yeah, so those are the things I got, and there's another thing I had gotten in Italy. I haven't shown you. It's past 1 week now, and I haven't shown you that thing. Yeah, so let me just show you. So I got this runner. Yeah, it's a runner. I got this runner from Italy. It was on offer. They were on offer because Eid was, I think, the next day. So during Ramadan, so many things are usually on offer in Italy, especially Royal Mall, day-to-day mall. Yeah, so during any Ramadan, you can always be passing by there to check. So I got this runner. Yeah, and it has really been helping me a lot on my small corridor because of the, you know, it's a rainy season and we are almost reaching the cold season. So I really need some mats in this house. Yeah, so yeah, this is how it looks like, and I love it. Yeah, so I got this one at 2,000 Kenya shillings. Yeah, it was on offer, guys. So I bought it at 2,000 Kenya shillings, and it's quite big. So for these XUK things, I just want to clean all of them. Yeah, I don't want to keep dirty things, and so I just want to clean them by myself, so that I can also organize the cabinet that I use to store my plates. Yeah, I want to put the plates on the rack.
They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn and look inside, there's nothing I can't find. In the silence of the night, when my demons come alive, I hear a voice disguised, telling me we're not alright. You're always on my mind. On my mind. You're always on my mind. On my mind. One taste, you can't get enough. One kiss, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One touch, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One kiss, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One touch, you feel my love. They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn and look inside, there's nothing I can't find. In the silence of the night, when my demons come alive, I hear a voice disguised, telling me we're not alright. You're always on my mind. On my mind.
So the main reason I bought those racks is because of this space. So I want to put these plates on those racks so it can look a little bit cuter. Yeah.
One taste, you can't get enough. One kiss, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One touch, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One kiss,
because your stare won't ever let me go. I'm here only 'cause I'm aware with you is better than all alone. Oh, 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 say what you're dying to say. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, tonight we're stars, but we'll fade away. Go on and light me up. Oh, go on and light me up while we're golden. Come on and light me up. Oh, come on and light me up before we come down. Stars will always come down. So before we come down, down, down. Go on and light me up. Oh, go on and light me up while we're golden. Come on and light me up. Oh, come on and light me up before we come down. Go on and light me up. Oh, go on and light me up while we're golden. Come on and light me up. Oh, come on and light me up before we come down. Show me where all your secrets lie and where your wild things go. Time ain't ever been on our side, so between now and till we go home.
I love how it has turned out. I wish I had more cabinets. I would have bought two extra racks and organized more plates that I'm thinking of getting. Yeah, I really love utensils, just that they are always expensive to buy. At times you have so many things to do with money and you can't just keep buying utensils. So next I'm going to transfer these cups here because this is where I want this machine to be, and this place doesn't have a socket, but I will talk to a fundi who will find a way of putting a socket in this corner so that this can be my coffee machine, coffee space here. So this is the exact space that I bought this rug for. So it fit perfectly because I didn't want it to be too long and to be popping in the living room side. Yeah, so it's just perfect for this space, guys. And it's very good that I bought it because it keeps this space warm. When you just pass here, you feel the warmth on your feet. So next I'm going to put my pampas grass in this jar, and I really love this jar. Yeah, and I'm happy that I bought it at a very affordable price because the quality of this jar, guys, you cannot get it at that 500 Kenya shillings. It's a very nice jar, very heavy and of very nice quality, and no crack on it, no single crack on it.
I'm here only because your stare won't ever let me go. I'm here only 'cause I'm aware with you is better than all alone. Oh, 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 say what you're dying to say. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, tonight we're stars, but we'll fade away. Go on and light me up. Oh, go on and light me up while we're golden. Come on and light me up. Oh, come on and light me up before we come.
So it's getting late and I want to prepare some simple dinner for the family. So I want to boil this beef. I'm adding in some spices, and I will put all these tomatoes and green pepper inside, plus the onions. Yeah, and I also have some pepper. Yeah, I will be putting all of it just to let it boil together. Then I will remove those pieces and blend it blend them separately just to make some thick soup. Yeah, so we can eat with the potatoes. So I will also be air frying the potatoes. Yeah, I will put my potato wedges in the air fryer, and then this beef I'm going to bake it in the oven just to let it dry up. Yeah. So for the potatoes, I just put some oil, some turmeric, and some curry powder, and yeah, and some garlic powder plus salt, and I just mixed together, and then I air fried them that way.
Before we come down.
So you saw me putting my beef in the oven, so I'm going to blend these together. Yeah, so because I'm not going to fry the beef, I would have used this as soup in the beef, but we are going to leave it that way, and I'm just adding in some uno powder just to add the flavor. Yeah, and we will have this as a sauce.
Come on, light me up. Come on, light me up while we're golden. Come on, light me up. Come on, light me up before we come down. Before we come down. Come on, light me up. Come on, light me up while we're golden. Come on, light me up. Come on, light me up before we come down.
So our dinner is ready. I also made some little ugali because I cannot sleep with potatoes only. I have to eat ugali in this house. Yeah, so I made ugali, and we have the choma beef, and we also have there I also have some little skuma wiki that I'll be topping up, and the potato wedges enough for the kids, and yeah, and the thick soup there, which will act as our sauce. So thank you so much for watching till this far, guys. Please like the video, share, leave a comment down below, and kindly do not skip the ads. And if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new one. Bye bye. I love you all.
Come on, light me up. Come on, light me up.